we finish our exchange and we retire. Weeks go by like the days passed by when we first heard about how all our greatest heroes learned to live among the rest of us, and all the fire-bred children learned to live among the rest of us. It's great to go alone, but I prefer the breaking down. There's something I
And the food and the people and everything
And
about
the flower,
India.
and the dancer, and the music, and the hospitality. Yeah, you said the food? Yeah, you said the food. You said the spicy? We do love the spices. We are really spicy. And we love kites. So you have to blow very strong. The wind will come and we lift up our kites.
And then you will say, Kite Puche!
Capuche! Power Gujarat. Here the experience, fantastic. Fantastic. It's unbelievable. This is my first time here. Italy is your first time? Yeah, Italy as well was the first time. And what about India?
Me, it's my third time here in India. So it's my first time here at the Statue of Unity.
It's professional, eh? Not like me.
ફોટો પેલું ગ્રુપ હતું
The
પેલા હમણાં આવ્યા હતા ને ગ્રુપમાં
ગ્રુપ ને આપણે મીડિયા છે
મીડિયામાં મારો નંબર
Guys, here, Chris.